Hey, if you're building a costume for the first time, here are a few things that you need to know. The first thing would be to understand and pick a good character for yourself. Once you've picked a character, go ahead and plan a budget. Once you've planned your budget, start purchasing materials as per your needs. You can use household materials if you are on a low budget cosplay. The next step is the build process. You can start by planning out your costume, making templates and sketches of it so you know how it needs to be built. Once you have decided on how it needs to be built, the next thing is to build it. Once you have built your costume and assembled your parts, it's necessary to try them on once to see if they're sturdy. Always reinforce your parts with glue to make sure nothing breaks last minute and it's a well fit. Once it's built, go ahead, seal it, paint it, and once you're done painting, give it a test. Once you're done building your costume and you're happy with it, satisfied, keep it away, package it nicely so it doesn't get damaged before you take it to your convention.